Hey everyone! Welcome back to WizeFactz, where we bring you the facts you need to know to stay on top of trends. Today we're talking about one of the most exciting and sometimes confusing ways to make money: Bitcoin. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, we're going to cover several methods to help you make money with Bitcoin safely and effectively. We'll break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, so you can walk away feeling confident and ready to dip your toes into the world of crypto. So grab your notebooks, buckle up, and get ready to learn. Let's dive right in. The first and one of the simplest ways to make money with Bitcoin is called HODLing, or holding on to Bitcoin for the long term. Here's how it works. You're basically buying Bitcoin at today's price with the belief that it will be worth more in the future. It's like investing in real estate, except instead of owning a physical property, you own a piece of this digital currency. Think of it like this. Bitcoin's value is driven by supply and demand. There's a limited supply of Bitcoin, only 21 million will ever exist. And as more people get interested in crypto, the demand goes up. If the demand outpaces the supply, the price of Bitcoin goes up. Now the key with HODLing is patience. The crypto market is volatile. It's like a roller coaster with its ups and downs. You might see your investment go down in the short term, but the idea is to hold on for the long haul, weathering the storms and potentially reaping the rewards down the line. Remember when Bitcoin was just a few $100s? Those who bought back then and held on saw massive returns. I'm talking life-changing amounts of money. Will it happen again? Nobody knows for sure, but that's the bet people who HODL are making. One of the reasons Bitcoin is so valuable is its decentralization. No single entity controls it, making it resistant to censorship and interference. Additionally, Bitcoin is often seen as a hedge against inflation. As traditional currencies lose value over time, Bitcoin's scarcity can make it a store of value. But remember folks, this is not financial advice. I'm just a guy on YouTube sharing what I find interesting. It's crucial to do your own research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Next up, let's talk about Bitcoin mining. This is a more technical way of making money with Bitcoin, and it involves solving complex algorithms that keep the Bitcoin network running. But here's the catch. Mining Bitcoin requires some specialized equipment and a lot of electricity. Imagine a giant global Sudoku puzzle that needs to be solved to keep Bitcoin transactions secure. That's essentially what Bitcoin mining is all about. Miners use powerful computers, specifically designed for this task, to solve these complex mathematical problems. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets to add the next block of transactions to the Bitcoin blockchain, which is like a public ledger of every Bitcoin transaction ever made. And for their efforts, they get rewarded with Bitcoin. Back in the day, you could mine Bitcoin on your home computer. But as more people started mining, the difficulty increased, and now you need specialized equipment called ASIC miners. These babies are expensive and consume a ton of electricity. We're talking warehouses full of these miners, all competing to solve these puzzles and earn Bitcoin. It's a real energy-intensive process, which has sparked some debate about the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining. So, unless you're ready to invest a significant amount of capital in equipment, electricity, and potentially a warehouse space, Bitcoin mining might not be the most practical option for you. Another way to make money with Bitcoin is through trading. This is like buying and selling stocks, but involves buying Bitcoin when it's low and selling it when it's high. Unlike HODLing, trading is usually short-term and requires a lot of attention to market trends. Imagine yourself glued to the computer screen, watching charts with lines going up and down, trying to predict the next big Bitcoin price swing. That's the life of a Bitcoin trader. Trading involves buying low and selling high, or selling high and buying low, also known as shorting. The goal is to capitalize on the volatility of the Bitcoin market and make a profit from those price fluctuations. But here's the thing. Bitcoin trading is not for the faint of heart. It's fast-paced, requires a deep understanding of technical analysis, and involves a lot of risk. You need to be able to read charts, identify trends, and manage your risk effectively. It's like surfing, except instead of waves, you're riding the volatile waves of the Bitcoin market. You need to be able to react quickly to market changes, and even then, there's always a chance you could wipe out. If you're considering Bitcoin trading, it's crucial to start small, learn the ropes, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. There are different trading strategies you can use, such as day trading, which involves making multiple trades within a single day to take advantage of small price movements. Swing trading, on the other hand, involves holding on to Bitcoin for several days or weeks to capitalize on expected upward or downward market swings. Scalping is another strategy where traders make numerous small trades throughout the day to gain small profits from each trade. Technical analysis is crucial in all these strategies. It involves using historical price data and various indicators to predict future price movements. Learning how to read charts, such as candlestick charts, and understanding indicators like moving averages and RSI can give you an edge. Having a solid trading plan is essential. This plan should include your entry and exit points, risk management strategies, and the amount of capital you're willing to risk. Remember, trading is risky, and it's important to stay disciplined and stick to your plan to avoid emotional decisions. By understanding different trading strategies, mastering technical analysis, and having a well-thought-out plan, you can navigate the volatile Bitcoin market more effectively. Here's a lesser-known method: Bitcoin lending. Some platforms allow you to lend your Bitcoin to other people, and in return, you earn interest. Think of it like a savings account, but with Bitcoin instead of dollars. Remember those high-interest savings accounts everyone used to talk about? Well, Bitcoin lending is kind of like that, but instead of lending your money to a bank, you're lending your Bitcoin to other users on a platform. These platforms act as intermediaries connecting borrowers and lenders. Borrowers might need Bitcoin for various reasons like margin trading or covering expenses, while lenders like you can earn interest on their Bitcoin holdings. The interest rates offered on these platforms can be significantly higher than traditional savings accounts, making it an attractive option for those looking for passive income. But remember, higher returns often come with higher risks. It's crucial to choose reputable lending platforms with a good track record and understand the risks involved. Make sure the platform has robust security measures in place to protect your Bitcoin. Another cool way to make money with Bitcoin is through staking or earning dividends. Some platforms offer staking programs where you can earn a percentage back simply by holding your Bitcoin with them. Think of it as passive income. Imagine earning rewards simply by holding onto your Bitcoin. That's the beauty of Bitcoin staking and dividends. It's like earning interest on your savings account, but with a crypto twist. Some cryptocurrencies, including some that are pegged to Bitcoin's value, use a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. This means that instead of miners, there are validators who stake their coins to secure the network. By staking your Bitcoin or Bitcoin-linked tokens, you're essentially supporting the network's security and operations. And in return for your contribution, you get rewarded with more coins. It's like earning interest or dividends on your holdings. Staking can be a great way to generate passive income from your Bitcoin. However, it's essential to research and choose reputable platforms and understand the specific terms and conditions of each staking program. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips for beginners looking to make money with Bitcoin. Start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Research. Always understand each method before diving in. Use reputable platforms. Stick to well-known exchanges and wallets to protect your investment. Making money with Bitcoin can be incredibly rewarding, but it does come with risks. Make sure to do your research, choose the right method for you, and stay informed. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to WizeFactz for more guides and tips on making money, staying ahead, and understanding the world of finance.